Look at that, man. Doesn't that look awesome? When you work with these big boulders, the end result is a lot nicer, but there is a lot of work that needs to be done. You know, they're way too heavy, and just to place a boulder, it takes a long time.
Welcome to Hiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists taking boring, cookie-cutter yards and transforming them into one-of-a-kind backyard retreats. Join us as we bring quality, passion, and fun to yards all across the Colorado Front Range, inspiring life outside.
So we're back here at Evergreen. It is finally complete. It took about 8 weeks to get this thing finished from start to end. There's a lot of challenges along the way, like drainage issues. Overall, I mean, Omar did an absolutely fantastic job.
Just standing at the top of the waterfall, check this drop off. It's so cool. I can't wait to see what we can do here. This is gonna be the stream coming up. We're gonna have our wetland. It's gonna sit right here. It would be cool to kind of have like a beach entrance in here, more like soft, not big boulders in here. What do you think?
Yeah, we have 2 pumps. So we got 5 to 9,000 up on these falls, and then a 4 to 7. So you'll have a lot more rushing water from this way down, but you won't need a whole lot here just because of the elevation. You can get those drops without having that much water pushing.
We have at least 30 feet of elevation, so I'm excited for this thing. We rarely have this type of elevation, and check this backdrop. It's gonna be a frame boulder. It's gonna be cool. The boulder is a little too big, so we're gonna have to try to break. Hold on a second. See if we can make it fit here. We got a lot done yesterday. We placed some massive boulders. We are definitely pushing the limits of that machine, which is a big machine. This boulder in here, this one is every little bit of 2,000 pounds, equally with this one. So this is our first middle waterfall. So what I'm trying to create here is to have as much height as possible. Still some rock work that is need to happen over here in order to hold up this soil over here. got dumped on. A lot of rain, a lot of hail, but we're still plugging along. We are working on our stairs coming out of the pond. We're in this beautiful boulder. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna start working at our intake bay. This is where all the water is gonna come through here. So we didn't have enough space bigger than I thought it was, so we're gonna have to move this rock just back a little this way. This is how it's gonna look. What I'm trying to create here is do like a beach area. That will do two things. One thing is gonna look really cool, and the other one is just gonna be kind of low. You know, instead of having a big boulder here, I will be able to have this lower so I can appreciate that waterfall a little more. We're fine, a low spot here, but easy fix. Just a matter of adding a little bit of dirt, and voila, it's done. Poles are running. Yeah, they look great, man, but we only have one pump working right now, which is the very top one. The bug filter is gonna work later on, but right now I couldn't hook it up because I don't have enough juice for it. But once we turn that on, we're gonna have a little bit more volume in that waterfall that are already looking great. So I can only imagine how they're gonna look with the extra pump.
Omar did an absolutely fantastic job. Just the way that these falls look are so natural. The way he incorporated the steps into the pond, the beach area into the wetland, and then the way to break up the monotony of the intakes. Just everything about this just is so natural. The clients are thrilled. We do have one huge project in Denver, Colorado coming up that is actually going to be even a bigger project than this, so definitely stay tuned. Might give this one a run for the money, but it's going to be hard to top.